Welcome back to the channel, Biscuits. So today I am cleaning my bathroom. Oh my goodness. Teaching a kid how to brush their teeth, it just makes your sinks disgusting. So I am giving them a good thorough scrub. I'm gonna like deep clean my sinks. I'm gonna scrub nooks and crannies I don't normally do. It's not gonna take forever, but it's gonna take longer than your normal, like average bathroom clean because I really wanna like get all the details cleaned. Because it's that time. You know when you look at your bathroom you think, ooh, I really need to clean you up. That's where my bathroom's at. So come along, I'm gonna put on some music. I want you to dance with me while we clean together because I feel like, oh, that just makes cleaning a lot more fun. Come on. have a clean bathroom. Yes, we do. We have the cleanest bathroom. Who you do? Ooh. Thanks for coming along. Thank you for subscribing, thumbs up, and always tell me in the comments what areas of the house you would love to see cleaned next. What are areas that are super hard for you to get clean, or just to get the motivation to be clean. Sometimes when I watch cleaning videos, I watch them because I know how to clean the area, but I just need something to kick me in the butt to do it. And so I'll put on the cleaning video and I'll clean along with it, and it kind of helps go, okay, you know, you're kind of being entertained, you're kind of getting inspired, and that's what kicks me in the butt to actually get a room that I don't really like to clean, which is the bathroom. Sparkling, it looks so good. I'm looking at it right now. Oh, it just looks so nice. It really needed that. I didn't realize how much it needed that, but it did. I will see you in the next video. Oh yeah, hey, if you want some more entertainment, something to read while you are staying home and cleaning, you can scroll on to the link that goes to all of my books. I have Oak Island Vector, which is a great conspiracy theory adventure. It takes place on Earth in the future when Oak Island's mystery finally gets revealed. And I also have Alien Duty out, which is book 3 in the Celeste saga of exotic alien romance. So yes, if you feel like something a little saucy. I'll see you in the next one. Big internet quarantine hugs. I hope you are surviving the quarantine cleaning madness well, because we all know we got that. I will see you in the next video.